This is a really cool air duster. Check this out. I love the yellow and black design on this, giving it like a bumblebee kind of feel. So cool. This thing comes with everything you need, especially if you're like a photographer. Maybe you do photography up close, or you just want to get rid of all that dust that's sitting around your house. Then these little air dusters are the best. Honestly, so cool. Like I said, it comes with everything that you need. So it comes with a USB-C charging cable, perfect. Then it comes with a ton of different brushes as well, so you can use these for all sorts of brushing around. And then we've got the different attachments. So not that one, sorry. We've got this other one, which is really nice. So you just shove them on there, and then we turn this on and you pull it up, blowing me away. So nice. You've got different levels, so you can go down and go up all the way. It's got a little light on the bottom to tell you how much charge it has, which is really great. And like I said, there are a ton of other different heads for this. So depending on what specific things you need an air duster for, well, this one is cool, then it's perfect. So yeah, all in all, just a really cool air duster. So great, highly recommend it. Go check it out.